Alright, folks, buckle up. Today, we're at Dent Steel Services, where routine drone flight for accountability turns into a full-blown standoff. We've got employees claiming private roads, misusing GDPR, and threatening the auditor while he's perfectly within his rights. You're about to see what happens when private company policy clashes with UK law. And yes, it gets tense fast. Stick around, because by the end, we're going to break down every legal twist, all the intimidation tactics, and why knowledge of the law is often your best defense. Oh, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss these eye-opening breakdowns.
Steel Services. Before I get started, I've noticed that quite a lot of people that watch the videos aren't subscribed, so please do tap that subscribe button. It really does help me make more of these videos. So what we'll do is we'll have a little walk up now and have a look. I don't know how big the site actually is. When I did look on the maps, it did look quite big, so I'm not sure if it's all the same site. But yeah, Dent Steel Services specialise in the supply of plates, profiles and in-house processing to all major markets, including naval, oil and gas, onshore, offshore renewables, and the construction of bridges. So here we go, look. That's the entrance to AAA couriers. Not come here to do them, so we'll have a look. It's the Steel Services that look to be the draw really for this. I won't get too close because there's some kind of buzzing going on in the background. So if I get too close, you'll hear. So yeah, I think this is it. I think this is as close as we can actually get to Dent Steel Services. That's the board there, and you've got the big massive building there, and I don't know if you can see the lettering. It says Dent Steel Services, Yorkshire. So yeah, the whole thing looks to be to extend all the way back there, so it is the big site that I thought it was. I was a little bit worried when I turned up then. I walked up this little road here and I thought, it's not going to be as big as I thought it was, but it turns out it actually is. So what we'll do is, see the time over there, right up there. There's something going on right at the back there. But there is, I'm not sure whether that's part of the actual chemicals side, because I know there is a chemical site behind it. What we'll do is we'll fly over, see what there is to see from the air. I've got the LinkedIn sign there as well, follow us on LinkedIn.
Notice how our auditor starts calmly on what's clearly a public roadway. In the UK, filming anything visible from a public place is generally allowed. Those double yellow lines, they're not just decoration. They signal a public highway. So even if an employee calls this private property, the law doesn't automatically back them up. And watch closely. A drone buzzing overhead often triggers suspicion. But suspicion alone isn't a crime. This is a textbook example of why knowing the boundaries between public and private land matters, and how a company's internal rules don't overrule your legal rights.
Oh, yeah.
Just wondering where you're filming?
Oh, what do you mean, sir?
Where are you filming?
Oh, I'm filming Dent Steel Services. I'm about to fly over, you see.
For who? For what?
Oh, just for me. It's literally a personal project that I'm
no,
not.
No, we'd just prefer it if you didn't, please.
What do you mean?
It's private property.
Oh, I know, but that doesn't matter, does it? If I just a cheeky fly.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No, it's Dent Steel private property.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't matter if.
It does if you film it.
If I'm filming?
You're not giving you permission to film our site.
You're not giving me permission to film your site?
Yeah, that's not where we are. It's not Dent Steel's property.
Well, that's a shame, innit? Because that's what I will be actually doing. It doesn't matter about... Before you ring the police, can we just have a quick conversation about that? Because...
And if you decide to just turn the cameras away.
Alright, well, all I'm saying is, why would you call the police when nothing illegal is happening?
That drone goes up again.
It will be going up, yeah, 100%. I'm going to take it up now. It's a bit rude, isn't it?
Here's where things get really interesting. The employee insists the auditor needs permission to film and even reaches for the phone to call the police. But let's pause. Private company policy doesn't override national law. And the GDPR argument. A classic misunderstanding. Domestic or personal recording isn't subject to strict business regulations, so the auditor is completely within his rights. This is the perfect example of overreach causing unnecessary friction, and it raises an important question. How often do employees escalate civil matters simply because they're not fully versed in the law?
What phone, please? Don't phone them. Sorry, mate. Can you what, help me?
Yeah.
Oh, don't get too close. I thought you would have kissed me then.
I won't be doing that, mate. Don't
Oh,
worry
good.
about
That's
that.
good. Yeah, I thought. No, you can't. No, don't worry about it.
You don't want to be flying that round here, mate.
Why not?
Of course.
You can't just say because, can you? That don't win an argument, does it?
Well, we don't want it here.
You don't want my drone here.
No.
It's a pity you don't have a say in it.
When you're flying your drone over here, there's vehicle movements like you've just seen, that vehicle there. You know, there's plenty of others round side, so
What difference does that make?
we don't want you getting hurt, do we?
See video,
Where he's on about flying this thing, we're just telling him, you know,
Just going over here and Steel, just flying over these around these buildings here to get some aerial footage of your courier service and the Steel service.
Steel service. What is it all to do with you?
it's all to do with
No, it's, what do you mean no?
No, it is.
The guy on his own come to have a little look at the businesses in the area.
Right. Can you take your mask off so I can take your picture?
No.
So don't video us then.
What do you mean don't video you? You've just walked up to my camera. You've just walked up to my
You're
camera.
flying that over us.
No, it will be flying over. It hasn't flown over yet, but it will be flying
The
over.
private road you're on as well, is this? We own this road.
I've checked it on maps, and you don't own it up to us. You own it up to a certain
You want
point.
to stand down at the bottom of the road for us as well, please?
This idiot here, look. Oh man,
Right, no problem.
are you representing your business? You do realise you're covered by GDPR, don't you, as a business?
No problem. Right. Sorted. Yeah.
We're phone police anyway.
Yeah. Right.
What have you phoned police for? Can
If you want to stay, you can stay till the police.
Yeah, but I am going to stay till if the police. I don't think the police will come though. The police won't come for something like this, will they?
Find out.
But
Wait
what?
down bottom of the road for us as well, please. Like I said, it's a private road. Isn't it?
It's not a private road.
It is.
It's not a private road.
It is. It's our property. Is this road?
This is not your road here. It isn't your road.
It is.
There's a telegraph pole on
No,
it.
not main road. You're all right down there.
The police are being called and they're on the way.
The police are on the way.
Yes.
Why?
Because you're not refusing to leave our private property.
I refuse to leave private property.
And now watch how quickly the situation escalates. The employee tries to assert authority physically, closing in on the auditor, making threats, and even hinting at vehicle intimidation later on. This is where civil boundaries meet real danger. In UK law, invading someone's personal space with intent to intimidate can amount to common assault. The auditor remains calm, documenting everything, while the staff's actions highlight a lack of training and professionalism. Here's a thought. Would you have stayed calm in the same situation, or would tension have gotten the better of you?
To be used as a weapon, swerving toward the auditor, followed by a direct threat that you have to hear to believe.
And if you're recording, you'll have it always on.
Yeah, this is not private property where I'm stood.
Where your drone was going to go, and you said you were filming over Dent Steel Services.
Yeah, but the drone is definitely going over today. Over. It is.
Okay.
How much you want to bet that I...
We'll
Oh,
get it down. Don't worry. I'll get it down.
you'll get it down, will you? How are you going to get it down?
Can I what
No,
you
you
filming
worry.
for?
I'll get it down.
Can you ask what I'm filming for? Literally, I've come to do a bit of a ground tour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly over and get the aerial shots. That's it, and then I'll be gone pretty shortly. What's this guy doing? Look.
Probably need another mask.
Don't walk up to me, mate, honestly.
You've got a big hole in your mask.
Yeah.
Don't you worry.
Look, you're in.
Here we go.
You're into my personal space a little bit here, aren't you?
What are you doing here then?
You're in my personal space right now. Guys, I'd get him off milk. He's in my look how close he is to me. I don't want to hit an old man, you know what I mean? It's like if he starts...
Any violence in the police will be here.
I know, that's what I mean. But he's getting in my personal space. Yeah, I won't be doing any violence.
Here, flying some sort of drone over our yard.
I've got a guy. So, can I just ask, what did you say to the police? Look at this guy filming me. You do realise you're covered by GDPR, don't you, if you're working for...
Now, here's a key moment. The employee claims this is a private road, but the auditor points out the double yellow lines and the telegraph pole. These forensic observations aren't just for show. They prove he's on public land. Knowledge is power here. Being aware of these details gives him the legal high ground and makes it nearly impossible for overzealous employees to bully him off the property. It's a reminder. Even in heated situations, staying informed about your rights can diffuse, or in this case, withstand aggressive tactics.
So I've got this guy, let's see what he's... Let's just see what he's saying.
No, he's not flying it yet. No, he's got it in his hand. But he's videoing it all.
Just trying to see what that guy's saying.
He's saying he's invading his personal
Are you heading back in now?
Yeah, alright, thank you. Alright, thank you.
Looks like they're all heading back in now. See you later, take care. So moving away because all we can hear is that infernal beeping. It's probably picking it up on the camera, you see, so just move a bit further down to take off. Now, they're saying that this is their road, a private road and whatnot. I very much doubt it. I mean, look, there's double yellow lines, there's a grate there, and there's also a telegraph pole as well, so seem to be moving some kind of massive steel rod in the background there. I'm not sure if you can see. The camera's broke, the zoom button on my camera's broke. Moving some kind of steel structure down there. I think this lady's trying to stand in front of my camera. Just keeps moving up and down. Move it back in front of the camera. I think we're trying to block me. Are you trying to block my camera?
You want to move off the private road, mate, like we've told you. And you want to get off road as well. You want to be on path if you're anywhere, but down bottom at road.
I don't need your advice. I know you're much older than me.
It's not advice. I'm just telling you, mate.
You don't tell me anything, pal. You don't tell me anything, pal.
This road is private property.
This is not private property. There's a grate there. There's yellow lines all over it.
Private road owned by us, is this?
You don't tell me anything, pal. Off you pop back inside, yeah?
You want to wait down bottom at road for us? There's going to be people coming out on this road in a minute.
Do you want to rate down it? Why? What are you going to do?
Well, you're going to stand there while people are coming out after finishing work.
Just leave it there.
Right idea, isn't it? You want to get on path if I will, don't you?
Check this out. New staff arrive to physically block the camera. It's futile, but it's classic poor training. Instead of professionally addressing questions or concerns, they create more drama and make the company look worse on camera. When public-facing behavior is mishandled, attempts to intimidate or obstruct are almost guaranteed to backfire. And here's the lesson. Blocking someone legally filming doesn't just fail, it also amplifies your own liability.
Can I just tell you something before I leave? Because I'm about to leave.
Are you that new to the public videos on the internet?
All I can say is it's legal to fly a drone and film in public. I'm only educating you so you know next time if somebody turns up.
I know, because I watch all the on the internet.
Watches all the do you know any of the names? Who's your favourite? There we go.
Just want a reaction.
And off the trot. Well guys, I am going to get out of here now because I've done the drone flight and I don't believe the police are actually going to attend because I obviously haven't broken any laws and they'll know what they're...
A few moments later.
Watch out! Whoa!
You know you're interfering with a drone pilot. Did you know you're on camera as well? You're interfering.
That's fine.
Yeah.
No, it's illegal to record someone without the permission.
No, it's not.
Able police.
Guys, yeah, alright, that's fine, yeah. This guy's a nut.
Despite all the interference, the drone takes off successfully. Remember, in the UK, landowners don't control the airspace above a reasonable height. The Civil Aviation Authority governs this. The staff's attempts to stop the flight are legally irrelevant. This moment perfectly illustrates why understanding aviation and property law matters. Intimidation tactics only go so far when the law is on your side. The auditor secures the footage he came for, proving persistence and knowledge win the day.
Get yourself off.
You look like you've been out.
Yeah, whatever, go on then. Yeah, do you know what? Pot calling kettle black. He's called, look at him, right? He called me a weirdo. Biggest weirdo going.
Yes, sound.
Get yourself lost, go on.
I'm outside my work, mate.
Are you? Alright, well I'm flying the drone, so watch out, yeah?
Alright, leave it. I'll go on, get changed, that's my work uniform. Yeah, you staying about here, yeah?
You'll be back, will you? Alright then, yeah. Excuse me, just before you go in, what do you think about your employee making threats there? Right then guys, the people are still out on the yard. They did say the police is coming, but obviously no police as yet.
What a case. We've learned 3 major lessons. Public roads give you the right to film. Attempts at intimidation almost always backfire, and safety must be paramount when vehicles are involved. The auditor stayed calm, knew the law, and captured all the necessary footage despite the chaos. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and accountability breakdowns. Knowledge is power, and in situations like this, it makes all the difference.